He says, hold tight, and I'll hold on to you.
Hi there, Chester, how are you?
Hi Stu, I'm good.
Feeling good?
Great day.
Alright, so tell me what's happening today?
Well, I'm going to jump from 15,000 feet.
Yeah, we're going
3 miles
skydiving.
high. I'm going to skydive.
Yeah,
Yep.
first time?
First time.
Yeah, you excited?
Very.
Alright, so 15,000 feet, that's 4.5 kilometers, 2.5 miles
Yep.
straight up. We're going to have fun today, Chester.
Certainly am.
Yeah, well, we've got perfect conditions today, blue skies, no wind currently. Woo. Let's go do it, buddy. Give us some knuckles, hit me. Boom, alright, let's go.
When you call for me, I'll be there for you. When you hear this song, I'm singing it all for you. What could be better? What could be better than fighting fire with you? What could be better? What could be better than fighting fire with you?
Whoa! Hey there, Chester, how's that, buddy? Well done, congratulations. Jump on up. Take my hand. Great job. How did you like it?
Brilliant.
High five. Excellent. Up high. Boom. All right. Cheers, guys. Excellent.